Okay, in today's tech video, I'm going to show you guys how to uninstall an app on your Firestick. Alright, so recently I wanted to delete some apps off of my Firestick and I had to kind of fumble my way through it. And I figured if I was having trouble, there's probably some other people that are. So I wanted to make a video on how you do this. It's real simple to do once you figure it out. So you'll take your remote control up on the home screen up there, the top bar. You're going to want to go all the way over to where it says Settings, and then go down to Applications. You'll click on that. Okay, and then you're going to go down to where it says Manage Installed Applications. As you can see over here on this side here, I don't have a whole lot of room left on this Firestick, so I wanted to free up some room. So you'll click on Manage Installed Applications. And then right here on this, you'll just scroll through there and pick out the app that you want to install. For example, I'm going to install this first one here on the list called AirScreen. Click on it and then go down to Uninstall. It'll ask you to confirm. Just click on Uninstall and it gets rid of that app. So that is how you delete apps off of your Firestick. If this video was helpful, go ahead and click a thumbs up on it. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I make tech videos all the time, and I'd love to have you back in the next one. Take care.